Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Breakfast is a great time to have a little Valentine's Day fun with the kids. It starts the day off on a happy note. So here are sausages rolled up in a blanket of toast in this easy recipe. A fun and tasty breakfast for kids and families. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So today I'm using breakfast sausage ling by Morning Farms. They are pure vegetarian. To start cooking, just heat a medium-sized fry pan, spray some oil and add frozen sausage ling and cook until they are brown on both sides. Then take them out and keep them on the side. So in a shallow dish, crack an egg, add some milk and whisk until combined. You can add some sugar and cinnamon powder and turn them into French toast roll-ups. Then we need some bread slices and sliced cheese. Then take a rolling pin and flatten the bread slice. You can cut the edges, but I prefer to keep them. Then take the cooked sausage and cheese slice and put it on only one edge of your flattened bread. Then start rolling tightly and then keep it on the side and repeat the same process with the rest of your ingredients. Now dip the sausage roll-ups into the egg mixture, rolling gently to coat all the sides. And then place it on a hot griddle and shallow fry them until they get light golden color on all the sides. I use 2 forks to flip them in the frying pan. Just be careful, don't poke the hole with the fork, otherwise cheese will ooze out. Then as a side, I serve a heart-shaped fried egg. For that, I heated up a fry pan, spray some oil and grease a heart-shaped cookie cutter. Then very carefully transfer my cracked egg into the middle of the cookie cutter. We are keeping a trail. As you can see, the egg white is running from underneath the cookie cutter. Don't worry about it. Let it cook for like a minute or two on a slow flame. Then take a butter knife and trim off the edges by the sides of the cookie cutter. And then let it cook until the egg comes to your desired doneness, and then very carefully lift up the cookie cutter and then transfer this egg onto your serving platter. Holidays are the time to create fun memories with our family. My girls and I love to get creative in the kitchen, and each holiday give us the chance to come up with a new fun food creation. They love these kind of breakfasts and especially love to help me make them. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.